Stop eating eggs every single morning. I know that sounds dramatic. Eggs have been a symbol of strength and protein for decades. And yes, they are a high-quality source of protein. But after 75, your body no longer responds to protein the way it did at 50 or even 65. You can eat 2 eggs, you can eat 3, and still watch your grip weaken, your thighs shrink, and your balance slowly declines year after year. The problem is not always how much protein you eat, it's whether your aging muscles can actually use it. After 75, a process called anabolic resistance becomes more pronounced. This means your muscle cells need a stronger activation signal to build and maintain tissue. Simply eating protein is no longer enough. Your muscles also need better circulation, lower inflammation, stronger cellular signaling, and improved nutrient delivery. And this is where certain fruits become surprisingly powerful. Some fruits don't just add vitamins, they enhance blood flow to muscle tissue. They reduce low-grade inflammation that blocks growth. They activate cellular repair pathways. And when combined with protein, they can amplify muscle preservation in ways eggs alone cannot. Today, we're ranking 5 fruits that support muscle health after 75. From supportive to truly transformative. Let's begin. Number 5. Jackfruit, the overlooked protein booster. Jackfruit is massive, tropical, and unfamiliar to many people, but nutritionally, it's more impressive than most realize. 1 cup of jackfruit provides modest plant protein, along with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, nutrients essential for muscle contraction and recovery. Now, jackfruit alone will not build muscle, but here's why it matters. Aging muscles often struggle with electrolyte balance and nerve signaling. Potassium helps regulate muscle contraction. Magnesium supports relaxation and recovery. Vitamin B6 assists in protein metabolism, meaning it helps your body actually use the protein you eat. After 75, even small deficiencies in these nutrients can make muscles feel weaker and more fatigued. Young green jackfruit can be sautéed and used in savory dishes. Ripe jackfruit can be blended into smoothies. Pair it with a protein source such as Greek yogurt, legumes, or lean poultry to create a more complete muscle-supporting meal. It's not the strongest fruit on this list, but it quietly enhances how your body responds to protein. Number 4. Guava, the inflammation fighter. Muscle loss after 75 isn't just about protein, it's about inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging, slowly breaks down muscle tissue and interferes with rebuilding. Even if you're eating enough protein, inflammation can block growth signals at the cellular level. Guava contains vitamin C levels that far exceed most citrus fruits. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, the structural framework that supports muscles, tendons, and ligaments. But guava also contains powerful plant compounds like quercetin, which help reduce inflammatory markers in the body. Lower inflammation means your muscles can finally respond to the protein you're consuming. Guava can be eaten raw, skin included. It can be sliced into yogurt, added to oatmeal, or blended into smoothies. For older adults who struggle with soreness or slow recovery, guava offers anti-inflammatory support that eggs simply cannot provide on their own. Number 3. Dried mulberries, oxygen and cellular energy. As we age, oxygen delivery to muscle tissue becomes less efficient. Reduced iron levels, declining circulation, and mitochondrial slowdown all contribute to fatigue and weakness. Dried mulberries offer a unique combination of plant protein and iron, a pairing that directly supports oxygen transport to muscle cells. Iron helps hemoglobin carry oxygen through the bloodstream. Without sufficient oxygen, muscles cannot generate energy efficiently. No matter how much protein you eat, mulberries also contain resveratrol, a compound studied for its role in activating cellular repair pathways and supporting mitochondrial health. Think of mitochondria as tiny power generators inside your muscle cells. After 75, these power generators decline in both number and efficiency. Supporting them can improve endurance and recovery. A small handful of dried mulberries can be eaten as a snack or added to oatmeal or trail mix. Pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods enhances iron absorption. Mulberries don't directly build muscle, but they support the cellular energy systems that allow muscle to function. Number 2. Avocado, the membrane restorer. Avocado is technically a fruit, and it may be one of the most important for muscle preservation after 75. Here's why. Muscle cells are surrounded by membranes made largely of fat. As we age, these membranes become more rigid. When that happens, nutrients, including amino acids from protein, have a harder time entering the muscle cell. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that help maintain flexible, healthy cell membranes. This improves nutrient transport into the muscle. In simpler terms, avocado helps protein get where it needs to go. Avocado also contains more potassium per serving than most fruits, supporting nerve signaling and preventing muscle cramps. It provides magnesium and antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in aging tissue. Adding half an avocado to a meal with protein such as eggs, fish, or legumes can enhance the overall muscle-building environment. It's not about replacing protein. It's about making protein work better. Number 1. Dried apricots, the satellite cell supporter. This one surprises most people. Dried apricots are rarely discussed in muscle conversations, but they contain a powerful combination of beta-carotene, potassium, iron, and polyphenols that support muscle repair mechanisms. Inside your muscles are specialized repair cells known as satellite cells. These cells activate when muscle tissue needs rebuilding. After 75, satellite cell activity declines sharply. Certain antioxidant compounds found in apricots are being studied for their ability to support cellular repair pathways and protect these satellite cells from oxidative stress. Dried apricots are also extremely rich in potassium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and electrical signaling. Weakness, cramping, and poor performance often stem from inadequate potassium intake, especially in older adults who eat smaller portions overall. A small handful of dried apricots as a snack, or chopped into breakfast cereal or yogurt, provides concentrated nutrients in a compact form. When combined with adequate protein intake and resistance activity, even light strength training, dried apricots can support a more favorable muscle maintenance environment. Let's be clear, eggs are not bad. They provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients, like choline and B vitamins. However, after 75, preserving muscle requires more than just protein. You need reduced inflammation, improved blood flow, better nutrient signaling, healthy cell membranes, strong mitochondrial function, and balanced electrolytes. Certain fruits help support these processes, acting as the essential tools that turn protein into real, functional muscle. If you feel weaker than you did 2 years ago, that's not unusual, but it's also not inevitable. Pair your protein with strategic fruits. Add avocado to your breakfast instead of relying only on eggs. Snack on dried apricots or mulberries. Blend guava or jackfruit into meals for added micronutrient support. And most importantly, move your body. Even light resistance activity signals your muscles that they are still needed. After 75, strength is not built by protein alone. It's built by creating the right internal environment for muscle to survive and thrive. And sometimes, that environment begins with something as simple as the fruit on your plate.